As you may already know or have picked up on already today, these pumps are above ground and are either located inside the home, small pump house, in a well pit, or openly exposed. Generally, these types of pumps are for shallower wells and are more cost effective for many reasons, including ongoing maintenance and repairs. Jet pump systems are at more risk of contamination mainly due to the fact that the well is shallow and may be susceptible to general groundwater contamination issues from runoff and chemicals. As we alluded to earlier, jet pumps are best suited for warmer climates, but you will find them in all climates as long as they are able to be protected from freezing conditions or are winterized. Many jet pump systems are used for irrigation systems. There are a couple subtypes of jet pumps, and some of these may be referred to as convertible jet pumps. The first is the single pipe type, meaning there is a single inlet pipe from the well and a single outlet, and the jet is in the pump. This is the type we normally think of with this type of pump, and these would be the types associated with smaller, shallower wells. Here's a good example of a single pipe jet pump system in an exposed outdoor setting. There is another type, and that would be a two-line or double drop type. These are also known as convertible jet pumps. Notice in the diagram we have 3 pipes total, 2 in the well and 1 as the supply. These types of jet pumps are for deeper wells. And to get enough power or pressure, the pump has that third pipe that is pumping water down to the bottom of the well foot where the jet is now located. The forced water does a U-turn, forcing the water back up the pipe, which also pulls water up from the well. And this action is referred to as Venturi Action. This can be seen in the expanded view in the diagram. These pumps will normally cost more overall as they will generally have higher horsepower motors and are more complex. Here's an example of an exposed outdoor double drop pump, and you can clearly see those 3 pipes, 2 of which are headed to the well head. Here's another example, this time in a pump house setting, but showing the same setup of 2 pipes towards the well and 1 as the supply pipe.